Theta value equivalent to 13.3970 rands a coin. The present cost range, 13.1145 13.6034. The earlier day close, 13.1729. The change was plus 0.2241. Plus 1.70%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 26. Cost 13.29 rands. High 14.22. Low 12.36. Theta figure on Tuesday, June 27. Cost 14.16 rands. High 15.15. Low 13.17. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28. Cost 14.74 rands. High 15.77. Low 13.71. Theta gauge on Thursday, June 29. Cost 14.76 rands. High 15.79. Low 13.73. In multi-week Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 30. Cost 14.56 rands. High 15.58. Low 13.54. Theta gauge on Monday, July 3. Cost 14.46 rands. High 15.47. Low 13.45. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, July 4. Cost 14.42 rands. High 15.43. Low 13.41. Theta gauge on Wednesday, July 5. Cost 15.00 rands. High 16.05. Low 13.95. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, July 6. Cost 14.47 rands. High 15.48. Low 13.46. In about 14 days Theta gauge on Friday, July 7. Cost 14.10 rands. High 15.09. Low 13.11. Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 10. Cost 14.04 rands. High 15.02. Low 13.06. Theta gauge on Tuesday, July 11. Cost 13.74 rands. High 14.70. Low 12.78. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12. Cost 12.05 rands. High 12.89. Low 11.21. Theta gauge on Thursday, July 13. Cost 11.74 rands. High 12.56. Low 10.92. In 3 weeks Theta cost forecast on Friday, July 14. Cost 11.71 rands. High 12.53. Low 10.89. Theta gauge on Monday, July 17. Cost 10.96 rands. High 11.73. Low 10.19. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18. Cost 11.30 rands. High 12.09. Low 10.51. Theta gauge on Wednesday, July 19. Cost 10.51 rands. High 11.25. Low 9.77. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, July 20. Cost 10.55 rands. High 11.29. Low 9.81. In about a month Theta gauge on Friday, July 21. Cost 10.41 rands. High 11.14. Low 9.68. Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 24. Cost 10.81 rands. High 11.57. Low 10.05. Theta gauge on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 10.82 rands. High 11.58. Low 10.06. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 Theta cost forecast for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 16.44 rands, exorbitant cost 18.65, while low cost 10.50. Found the middle value of cost 15.04. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.56, change for June 11.4%. Theta estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 14.56 rands, exorbitant cost 17.23, while low cost 9.58. Found the middle value of cost 14.37. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 16.10, change for July 10.6%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 16.10 rands, exorbitant cost 16.10, while low cost 13.63. Found the middle value of cost 15.12. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.66, change for August 8.9%. Theta estimate for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 14.66 rands, exorbitant cost 15.29. While low cost 13.29, the found the middle value of cost 14.38. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.29, change for September 2.5%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at 14.29 rands, exorbitant cost 14.29. While low cost 11.93, the found the middle value of cost 13.34. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.83. Change for October 10.2%. Theta estimate for November 2023. To start with cost at 12.83 rands, exorbitant cost 15.83, while low cost 12.83. The found the middle value of cost 14.07. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 14.79. Change for November 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 14.79 rands, exorbitant cost 18.36, while low cost 14.79. The found the middle value of cost 16.28. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 17.16, change for December 16.0%. Theta conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 17.16 rands, excessive cost 17.16. While low cost 13.40, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.53. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.41, change for January 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 14.41 rands, excessive cost 14.41. While low cost 11.25, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.04. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 12.10, change for February 16.0%. Theta conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 12.10 rands, excessive cost 14.19. While low cost 12.10, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.91. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 13.26, change for spring 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 13.26 rands, excessive cost 13.96. While low cost 12.14, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.10. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 13.05, change for April 1.6%. Theta figure for May 2024. Before all else cost at 13.05 rands, excessive cost 13.05. While low cost 10.83, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.14. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 11.64, change for May 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 11.64 rands, excessive cost 14.21, while low cost 11.